lucky man who made the grade.
The way I cover songs is not, it's just very interpretive, you know, like I listen to a song and I take it in and I put it back out, but it's not like emulating the original version. So it's just how I interpret it. And a lot of the songs that I cover, I haven't even heard the original version in like years. It's just in memory, you know, sometimes even from years back, it's just how I recall that song.
Changed. And a crowd of people stood instead. They'd seen his face before. Nobody was really sure if he was from the House of Lords.
My sister, when I was in high school, was dating and actually ended up marrying a musician. And he was so much to me. He was like a father figure. He taught me how to play the guitar, taught me like my first songs, and I got the bug, you know, for music, and I just moved to LA to try to pursue it.
I know the way back home.
I do write.
But I won't turn around.
It's just a big deal for me to write a song. I mean, I have songs that have taken me years. I have friends that they're like, hey, I wrote this while you were in the bathroom, you know, or whatever. I just wrote this while you were fixing lunch. I'm not like that. It just takes me a lot of time.
But I won't turn around.
In that sense, a song is not just a song to me. You know, a song is everything. A lyric is everything. You know, because it's, you know, it sticks in people's heads and they sing it over and over again, and people get very attached to music, and to have a good lyric that makes people feel something, I think that's, I don't know, I feel like it's a very important thing.
My choice. Well, here we go.
I also love playing music by other people. I love singing their songs, I just do.
Well, they blew up the chicken man in Philly last night. Blew up his house too.
You know, you get humbled when you see like really great writers, and I don't know, they're so moving. I mean, people like Leonard Cohen, I mean, he is one of the most amazing songwriters. But then there's Bob Marley, you know, and then you take a Bob Marley song like Three Little Birds, and that song is like perfect, you know, it's perfect. You know, like I said, I do write, but I struggle with verses sometimes, and to have someone like Dylan who is just, there's no shortage of verses, you know, he'll just keep them coming, and he's got more, you know. That's impressive to me. And you're grateful to be able to hear that stuff, and it's humbling.
And on the side of this new road,
I'm very grateful. I have some wonderful things in my life. I have a dog that is like, she's awesome. She's the greatest gift that I ever received. This is her. Say hello, dude. I don't know, I just love being near the water. I love being out in natural surroundings. Yeah, so that's also a big part of being a writer or being a musician, is tapping into the source of everything. I just feel that there's so much more to life than what appears to be there. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.